This is the story of extraordinary people who give far more than they receive.
Por aquí vamos. Y de ahí damos vuelta así, para allá. Ya están toditos allá sacando ya.
Most of them are women and older adults. They work tirelessly to protect the environment and improve the quality of life in their homes. They are Ecuador's recycling population. Doña Maria is one of them. She currently leads the National Network of Recyclers of the South.
Y esto es la fuente de nuestro ingreso. Con esto es lo que nosotros como madres y jefas de hogar tenemos que sustentar a nuestra familia. Pero el trabajo de nosotros es más duro porque tenemos que ir clasificando aquí en la fuente mismo.
Together with her organization, they have found a path to demand that authorities listen to and recognize them. Part of this process is being carried out with the support of the Rumbos project of the University of Cuenca, which was born with a clear purpose: to improve the living and working conditions of the recycling population through a process of participatory action research. From 2022 to 2025, work has been carried out across 5 key modules to achieve this goal: health, public policy, organizational strengthening, urban environments, and social determinants. Through the implementation of participatory action research, the following initiatives were undertaken. A health survey conducted in 3 areas: Cuenca, Macas, and La Libertad. Rumbos carried out 2 rounds of measurements for weight, height, and blood pressure, revealing issues such as hypertension and malnutrition, especially among women. In Cuenca, 223 people participated, while in Macas and La Libertad, another 103 recyclers joined. Through laboratory tests, elevated cholesterol, triglycerides, and health problems such as parasitic infections and urinary tract infections were identified. These conditions reflect the physical challenges they face every day. The results were given to each participant, and information was shared with health authorities in Cuenca, Macas, and La Libertad. Ongoing support was provided with educommunication materials.
Eso es lo que se merece cada compañero reciclador, la oportunidad de recibir lo que le corresponde y que con ello mejorar su calidad de vida.
The project also focused on strengthening recycler organizations. The status of 13 associations in Cuenca, Macas, and La Libertad was evaluated, along with the situation of independent recyclers. Following a participatory process, the Coama Recycling Services Cooperative was established under the Popular and Solidarity Economy Framework, along with a 5-year strategic plan. This plan will guide actions to strengthen the participation and impact of the waste picker population. Support was also provided for project development in La Libertad and for the Amazonia Verde organization in Macas.
Escucha, estamos en la lucha.
In the area of public policy, a comprehensive review of regulations in Cuenca, Morona, and La Libertad was conducted, resulting in a comparative study on the inclusion of waste pickers in local and national laws. Additionally, participatory assessments were carried out with local stakeholders to identify needs and opportunities related to inclusive recycling. In collaboration with organizations and institutions involved in recycling efforts, the Cantonal Inclusive Recycling Roundtable of Cuenca was reinstated as a platform for collaboration, with one of its key goals being the development of the Inclusive Recycling Bylaw for Cuenca. These actions aim to design inclusive local policies that recognize and value the work of those who make recycling possible in Cuenca.
Existimos aquí para el mundo entero. Con nuestras manos limpiamos nuestro planeta. Gracias.
The routes of the recycling population are demanding and extensive, up to 15 times longer than what is stipulated by the municipal management system. On average, they walk 8 kilometers and carry up to 75 kilograms of material. It is like walking from one end of the city to the other every day, carrying the weight of a person on your back. Their routes, they make stops to access basic services and to find support and solidarity networks. To help ease their work, we held workshops where waste pickers participated in the development of tools aimed at improving their tasks and reducing physical risks. To understand their reality, the project included a detailed observation of the recyclers' daily routes. Through interviews and travel diaries, we learned about their stories, challenges, and aspirations. We aimed to make their work more visible through the first reflective exhibition, Ellas en su vida. In addition to communication campaigns, press conferences, and participation in public forums. All of this is based on a commitment to transparency and inclusion. We believe in the importance of open data so that this information is available to both the public and the authorities. Citizen support is essential to build inclusive cities on the path to sustainability. Recognizing and dignifying the work of women recyclers is not only an act of justice, but also a step toward a better future for society.
Lo que necesitamos es que nos reconozcan como recicladores que de base somos, que nos valoren y que somos también personas trabajadoras. Y
trabajar en unidad uno trabaja mejor.
Que se concienticen también, porque nosotros como recicladores lo que hacemos es cuidar tanto el medio ambiente y también cuidamos que el relleno sanitario no se sature con la basura.
Pero ahí estamos, pie de vereda como siempre. No dejamos, puede el material subir, bajar de precio, lo que sea, pero ahí estamos como recicladores, porque eso es nuestro modo de sobrevivir. Y nosotros también hemos seguido esta lucha para lograr algo también. Si no se hace, no se lucha, no hay nada.
Muchísimas gracias, como digo, no tengo palabras para poder yo agradecerles y sentirme orgullosa con los compañeros.